NerdWallet or YNAB? Which one is actually the best in 2026? Both are powerful finance tools, but they don't do the same thing. And if you choose the wrong one, you might end up with an app that doesn't match how you actually manage your money. First, let's talk about NerdWallet. NerdWallet is a financial guidance platform. It helps you compare credit cards, loans, mortgage, bank accounts, insurance, and investment products. It also includes credit score monitoring, financial calculators, and educational content to help you make smarter financial decisions. The biggest strength of NerdWallet is decision-making support. If you're trying to choose the best financial products or improve your financial knowledge, NerdWallet gives you research and recommendations in one place. Now let's look at YNAB. You need a budget. YNAB is a full budgeting system built around giving every dollar a job. It helps you plan your spending, track expenses in real time, and build your strong budgeting habits. It's designed to change how you think about money, not just track it. Its biggest advantage is control. YNAB helps you stay intentional with your spending, reduce overspending, and actively plan where your money goes before you spend it. So which one is the best? If your goal is comparing financial products, learning about money, and improving financial decisions, NerdWallet is the better choice. But if your goal is serious budgeting, debt control, and building long-term financial discipline, YNAB is the stronger option. For most people who want deep control over their money habits, YNAB offers more powerful results over time. NerdWallet versus YNAB. Now you know which one is actually the best for your financial goals in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance app reviews and comparisons just like this.